तो इसके बारे में जब आप बात करेंगे तो लेट्स गो एंड ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट ऑफ पिवट. पिवट इज अ वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग वे. एंड when you're going to talk about pivots, how many of you are trading with pivots? Those of you are not trading, those of you are trading, relax, because now we are going to see the pivot in a whole new way. Okay, so what does a pivot do for you? Pivot is nothing but it is representing the mean of a traded price. जो भी traded price है आपका, उसका it is a mean for the traded price. What is the traded price? आपका जो open high low close है, this is a traded price. तो उसका high, low, and close are considered to calculate the pivot. So when you take the high, low, and close, you get the pivot. And what is the beauty about pivot? You know, pivot helps you. Okay, pivot helps you to get to the mean of the traded price. Okay, pivot helps you to find out कि कल क्या हो सकता है. पिवट ऐसा टूल है जो आपको बताएगा कि कल क्या हो सकता है. It is a very very powerful way, because when pivot is available for you, when a pivot value is available for you, you can concentrate and find out what can be the next value. Okay, you can find out कि कल क्या हो सकता है, और कल जो भी होगा, इधर पिवट के ऊपर अगर कोई ओपनिंग होता है, उसका मतलब है कि द प्राइस इज शोइंग एन इंटेंशन टू गो अप. If a price opens below the pivot, that means it is showing intention to go down. So the intention to go up and the intention to go down is seen from the pivot. The pivot is very, very useful and very, very powerful way to look at the market. And that's what the pivot does. It gives you very, very good idea. So when you take the high, low, and close, okay, when you take the high, low, and close, okay, you can see here that high, low, and close, when you take the high, low, and close and divide it by 3, you will get to take care of very good idea about the pivot. So when you see here, and when these pivots are used, okay, when these pivots are used, you can see that it acts as a support and resistance. So when it acts as a support and resistance, you get very good idea. So you can see here, high, low, and close, high, low, and close of any price action. You can take the high, low, and close of any price action, and then you will get the average. You can take the average, और वो average होगा आपका pivot. So let me just give an example. Okay, you can see here there are various kinds of pivots. There is standard pivot, there is Fibonacci pivot, there is Camarilla pivot, there is Woody's pivot. बहुत सारे pivot approaches है, बहुत सारे pivot approaches है, और हम यूज करने वाले हैं some important pivot approaches like Fibonacci, Camarilla, and an extension of the concept of pivot which is called as the CPR. So these are some things very very interesting about which we'll be covering during the course of the next few days. So now, having said that, you can see here that the entire movement jo hai, okay, the entire movement, what we are going to see is, we are going to see how to action it. So if you see here, right, if you see here, this is a chart where price is going up. So you have got the pivot value here, correct? You can see here, this is a pivot value. Central line is the pivot value. और पिवट के ऊपर, okay, पिवट के ऊपर आपका R1 बनेगा, यहां से आपका R2 बनेगा, यहां से आपका R3 बनेगा. सो फिबोनाची पिवट जो है is having R1, R2, R3. It is having S1, S2, S3. Is everyone clear? Can you all give me a thumbs up? Pivot का जो है R1, R2, R3, S1, S2, S3. This is the concept of Fibonacci pivot which we will be discussing now. Other pivots we will discuss. At that time I will explain to you that as well. So now first try and understand this. So when you are using a pivot, what it helps you with is, it helps you with levels. Okay, you got these levels. You can see here R1, R2, R3. These are levels which you can track while you are going on the long side. So here basically you will go long. Here basically you will go short. So below the pivot I will go short. Above the pivot I will go long. Now when the market opens, when any particular price action opens, you have to see whether it has opened above the pivot or below the pivot. How many of you got this? बहुत सिंपल है बट समझना जरूरी है। जैसे ही कोई प्राइस खुलता है, ओके, जैसे ही प्राइस खुलता है, you have to find out where is it. Is it above the pivot or below the pivot, which is the first step. Okay, this is the first step. Okay, let's first try and find out how to calculate the pivot, then I will so generally आप कोई sites पे देखे रहेंगे, websites पे कुछ इस प्रकार दिखता है, S1 S2 S3 R1 R2 R3, ऐसे पूरा एक ग्रिड दिख जाता है आपको। Now in this particular grid, okay, in this particular grid, what you got to understand, okay, what you got to understand is this particular grid which you are seeing right now is having lot of numbers, R1 R2 R3 S1 S2, उससे कैसे हम एक संबंध बनाएंगे, that is what we are going to be discussing. Okay, now to get it better, understand this better, let's try and understand. Okay, let's try and understand. Okay, कि ये suppose for example, all right, suppose for example, if you have got these high low and close, so let me just hide this for now. Okay, let me just hide this for now. Can you all tell me what is this high low and close? Yeah, what is this high low and close? Can you all tell me what will be the pivot value of this? What will be the pivot value of this high low and close? फॉर्मूला क्या है? पिवट का फॉर्मूला क्या है? High low and close upon 3. I just want to get your basics right. High low and close upon 3. What is the pivot? Yeah, what's the pivot? Yeah, what is the pivot value? Value क्या है? We'll do it in an automated way also, but पहले ये बताओ कि value क्या है? Absolutely right. That is the value, right? That is the value here. Okay. 15684.46. So now again, let me just strike this out. All of you, it is not 15700, it is 15684. Okay, 683, 684 is fine. What is the value here? तो उसका मतलब है कि 15684 के ऊपर उसको खुलना है तो ही एक पॉजिटिविटी रहेगा। अगर 15684 के नीचे खुलता है तो एक नेगेटिव बायस के साथ स्टार्ट होगा। ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, मार्केट में एक बायस हमेशा चलता है। ओके, मार्केट में हमेशा एक बायस चलता है, तो आपको ध्यान देना है कि मार्केट में अभी फिलहाल बायस क्या है, बायस बुलिश है कि बायस बैरिश है। ऑलराइट, so now you can see here that in this, what is the pivot value? Very good, 35207, absolutely right. So you have got it, 35207 is the pivot value. So now it has to open above 35207 for it to retain positivity and show कि yes, it will continue to move higher. Now how to track that and how to action it is something which we are going to learn. But this is first something which you got to understand so that I can take you ahead. Now let us talk about what do I mean by Fibonacci pivot. Okay, Fibonacci pivot क्या है कि Fibonacci pivot takes the previous day's range. What is our previous day's range? Previous day's range क्या है? अगर कोई दिन, अगर if a price has moved like this, okay, so what is happening is that this is the low of the day and this is the high of the day. Did you all get it? ये पूरा जो है आपका रेंज हो गया। सो व्हाट आर यू डूइंग हियर? यू आर फाइंडिंग आउट द रेंज। नाउ रेंज इज हाई एंड लो। सो हाई और लो का हम डिफरेंस निकालते हैं और इस डिफरेंस पे हम फिबोनाची फैक्टर्स अप्लाई करेंगे। इस रेंज पे हम फिबोनाची फैक्टर्स अप्लाई करेंगे। तो फिबोनाची फैक्टर्स अप्लाई करने पे व्हाट हैपेंस? फिबोनाची फैक्टर्स अप्लाई करने पे यू गेट द रेस्पेक्टिव लेवल्स। तो सपोज दिस इज योर पिवट, देन यू गेट, तो ये आपका पिवट हो गया और इसके ऊपर आप फैक्टर ऐड करेंगे. फैक्टर ऑफ व्हाट? फैक्टर ऑफ द प्रीवियस डेज रेंज यू विल ऐड टू दिस. ओके, यू विल गेट 1, you will get 2, you will get 3. Is everyone clear? Okay. So this is how you get this range. Now range से आपको pivot मिलता है. So let's go and take a look. This is how it looks. Okay, this is how a pivot looks. So you got the pivot, and then you have got R1, R2, R3. You have got here S1, S2, S3. Clear everyone? R1, R2, R3, S1, S2, S3. This you will track when you are going short. This you will track when you are going long. Clear? Now R1 to S1 is 38.2%. यानी 1/3 of the previous day's move. So 1/3 of the previous day's move is normal. 1/3 of the previous day's move is normal. तो जब कोई प्राइस, कितने लोगों को तकलीफ होता है कि सुबह 9:15 को आपने ट्रेड लिया, वो चलता ही नहीं है? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर इन दैट बोट? 9:15 को आपने ट्रेड लिया, कोई लोगों को जल्दी है, कोई लोग एकदम मार्केट जैसे खुला जाकर ट्रेड लेते हैं. अगर आपने चलो 9:15 को नहीं लिया, बट लेकिन चलो 9:30 तक आपने लिया, बट फिर भी आपको लगता है कि कब जब भी आपने ट्रेड लिया वो ट्रेड चल ही नहीं रहा है. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर इन दैट बोट? ये तब होता है जब आप प्राइस एक्शन इज बिटवीन R1 एंड S1. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू गॉट दिस? गिव मी अ थम्स अप. R1 और S1 के बीच जब ये रहेगा तब आपको कोई भी एक्टिविटी नहीं दिखाई देगा. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? R1 और S1 में कोई भी एक्टिविटी नहीं होगा. जब ये R1 क्रॉस करेगा या S1 क्रॉस करेगा, that is when it will start showing some action. Are you with me? That is when it will start showing some action. So our action point is always this, R1 and S1. So this is going to be one of our main filtration tools. How many of you got this? Give me a thumbs up. अभी जब भी हम ट्रेड लेंगे, हम फिबोनाची पिवट के द्वारा उस स्टॉक को फिल्टर करेंगे और देखेंगे कि क्या ये रूल्स सेटिस्फाई होते हैं कि नहीं. सो आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू डू इट, बट जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड दिस. सो दिस इज हाउ यू विल सी. एंड R3 and S3 is your profit booking zone. R3 and S3 is your profit booking zone. So हमेशा जब भी R3 और S3 में प्राइस आएगा, you will find that वहां पर प्रॉफिट बुक करना उचित है. Okay, it's better to book profit at R3 and S3. Why? Because you have to ensure that it is reaching an optimum point. Why? Because 100% of the previous day's move. ये 100% है. ये 100% of the previous day's move. पिछला दिन का जो मूव है, रेंज है, उसका 100% यहाँ पर कवर हो गया है. और उसकी वजह से हम इस स्टॉक पे एग्जिट करना चाहते हैं या एटलीस्ट पार्ट प्रॉफिट बुक करना चाहते हैं. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू गॉट दिस? So this is the concept of Fibonacci pivot. Is everyone clear?